Hi everyone, welcome to my Mexico vlog. I traveled with a friend departing from Amsterdam and we booked an all-inclusive package for 8 days with flights, hotel and transfers included. Mexico is a destination where you can get scammed everywhere, especially when booking activities. We decided to be smart and not book at the resort. On top of that, we tested our negotiation skills that didn't really work. Usually the vendors are open to negotiating the price. You get a discount until you realize that everyone has to pay a docking fee when booking an activity with a boat. The discount you receive is usually the docking fee that you would be paying up front. When arriving at the dock, you still need to pay the $15 per person on top of the increased price for an upgrade. know that when the activity starts, you will have to pay for an upgrade to be able to receive lunch and drinks or alcoholic beverages during your activity. So the price you pay for the excursion is actually the starting point for endless additions. We thought we had a great price but ended up paying $70 additional when arrived at the excursions. Payments can be done in cash or with your credit card. The best way is to pay in cash in Mexican pesos. When paying with a credit card, it is better to pay in US dollars and not in Mexican pesos because the conversion rate will be terrible and you will pay a lot more than the price that is discussed. By the time you realize, it's already too late. Public transport was really good. There are buses stopping every 2 minutes that go from the hotel zone into the touristic and shopping area for less than $1. When enjoying the nightlife of Cancun, you get offered all-inclusive options for clubs all the time. This means unlimited drinks for the whole evening for a certain price. Although nothing happened, I had a really unsafe feeling because of the amount of police outside of the clubs. When going out in Cancun, always be aware of your surroundings and make sure to stay alert while enjoying. During our visit, we booked an Uber that arrived without a license plate. It was super scary, although the driver was nice and we were with a group of 4 people. Would you take a ride without a license plate in Mexico? Let me know in the comments. Mexico was amazing and very magical. I would love to visit again and see more of this beautiful country. We have reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Love and light. See you in the next one.